Are you getting tired of not getting paid for your time? Do you want to make some extra cash? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you this new AI app that pays you $200 to do simple tasks. Let's get into it. Okay guys, I'm at this website and the name of this website is Gengo. So to get to this website, you just type in gengo.com. So Gengo is a language translation platform that uses advanced machine learning techniques to develop accurate and fast translations. So you're going to become an AI contributor. You're going to earn extra income doing simple tasks online. You just click right here to sign up. Now, what does an AI contributor do? To develop technology like self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and chatbots, data scientists require large amounts of data. This data comes in the form of images, audio, video, and text. Moreover, the data must be thoroughly prepared and labeled through simple tasks. So as an AI contributor, you will help build the future of artificial intelligence with every project you complete. Now here's one project right here that you're going to be doing. So for example, in images, AI contributors are often asked to draw boxes around certain objects such as cars and bicycles. And here's another task. In text, you may be asked to highlight and label certain words such as people, locations, or company names. As you can see there, how they're highlighting certain words and people and locations. That's very simple, guys. So guys, they have flexible schedules, so work where you want, when you want. Choose your hours of work from the comfort of your home or while on the road in your travels. Competitive rates. As a global employer, we know how hard it can be to make a steady income online. We offer competitive starting rates no matter where you are on the globe. Get paid on time. So we pay our contributors twice a month and we are never late. So guys, you're going to get paid from $50 to $200. You're going to get paid twice a month. You can make even more than that, but that's like the average rate that you're going to be getting paid. Now, how it works. So you're going to sign up, join a project, complete your tasks, and receive payment. Very, very simple, guys. How do you receive your payments? So you need to have PayPal or Payoneer to receive your payments. So rates will vary from project to project depending on the content and type of task. Payments will be added to your account balance as your submitted work is approved. There's no need to submit an invoice. We process payments on the 10th and 25th of every month. Now I just want to show you their community forum. So on their community forum, they have monthly topics. They got training materials, so you can get training on this community page right here. They have special media translation projects. They have translation resources. And then they have forums in all different languages. As you can see here, Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, French, Greek, Japanese, Portuguese, Swedish, Spanish, Russian, Polish, Korean, Italian, Hebrew, German, English, Danish, and they also have translator developers. So guys, when you sign up, definitely come to this community page on the website to learn everything you need to know about the simple tasks that you're going to be doing on this website. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and come financially free. And on that note, get your grind on because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos to learn more ways to make money online. Peace and have a prosperous day.